Alrighty, today we're going to be having a look at solving equations using technology. So the easiest way whenever solving these sorts of equations is to just use our calculators. And in this case, I like using graph mode. So y1 would be equal to 20x. Therefore, y2 would just be equal to 15. And now I could just type these both in. Now, in Desmos, we don't have to use y1 and y2. But on your calculator, you'll need to use each side basically to go through it. Once I've done that, you can see there's an intersection right there. And in particular, I'm interested in the x-coordinate because the y-coordinate is just 15, which is just when they equal each other. So therefore, x is equal to 0.904. Because I'm rounding to 2 decimal places, it's just going to be 90. Now, that's one strategy of doing it. On the calculator, you're going to be using gsolve, and then within there, the intersection feature. So I can't remember the exact acronym, but the intersection. And that will give you the same point. However, that'll only work if you do set up your view window correctly. So you may need to change your view window so you can actually see when these two functions meet. But let's have a look at an alternative solution. So another way of writing 20x equals 15, if I take 20x from both sides, well, that's 0 is equal to negative 20x plus 15. Alrighty? And we're saying that this is going to be equal to 0. Well, that's like saying we have a function called y is equal to negative 20x plus 15, and that we're looking for when y is equal to 0. And when y is equal to 0, that's when we're looking for the x-intercepts, or what we call roots, using the calculator. So I can just type into the calculator negative 20 to the power of x plus 15, y equals. And all then I'm looking for is the roots. So I'd gsolve, and then choose root. And you can see right here, there's a solution at 0.904. So x equals 0.904, and once again we round to 90 after rounding. So two very different ways of doing it. You get the exact same answer. It's just whether you would rather rearrange the equation or if you'd just like to sub in both equations. Just depends on whether you're using the intersection or if you're using the root mode. Alrighty, see you in the next one. Goodbye.